Hi, good afternoon. I'm Bob Smith, and I'm a graduate of the Executive MBA program with the Twells, and we graduated July of last year. I'm back today with the Smith alums and participating in some mock interviews. So I can encourage candidates, prospective candidates, to prepare. A lot of people will go into an interview, they've got a great resume, they're well dressed, but they don't do enough to discover what's important about the company or the firm that they're interviewing with. And in my case, I spent a considerable amount of time researching companies that I thought were a good fit for me. Culture was at the very top of my list. So as I began my job search, I began to think, well, what's a good culture for me? Are they innovative? Are they creative? Are they friendly? Are they outgoing? Does it fit with my background and experiences? So my most recent role, I'm a solutions director with Salesforce, and these are the steps that I took when I was preparing for that interview. I was contacted by Salesforce for a phone interview and thought one of the first steps that I should take is, I don't know a lot about the CEO. Mark Benioff is a world leader. He's recognized as being a great innovator, one of the first companies that decided to move forward with software as a service. So I purchased his book, Behind the Cloud. I read it cover to cover over the course of about 2 days. And I gained a lot of insight about the culture, what was important to Mark, why he decided philanthropy was an important component on building the future of his company. So with that, I understood a little bit more about what I was getting myself into when I was faced with the interview process. Additionally, Salesforce has a number of products and solutions. So I went out and I got my own demonstration org. I actually logged in. I looked at the products and the services that were available to any consumer out there and thought, these are the kinds of things that I should know something about. And lastly, I discovered that they have their own performance review. It's called the V2 Mom. And as I was reading through Mark Benioff's book, he emphasizes the fact that it should be open and transparent during the performance reviews. And I thought to myself, well, what is it about a V2 Mom that's important? As I discovered during the interview when I met with other folks as I progressed through the interview cycle, one of the last questions that I asked of them was, give me an attribute that's in your V2 Mom that's important to you. And then in parallel, I wrote my own V2 Mom so that when I arrived and I started to say, this is going to be a good fit and I'm receiving the offer and I'm negotiating, I already had an idea of what my performance indicators were going to be before I even arrived on day one.